decide, I close my eyes and I open them wide.
Polly sold it to me like it was
Here's my mouth. And here are my teeth. These are my knees.
It was definitely a great platform.
This is super cute. I wave my arms up at the sky. I kick my legs up high.
I wish I would have kept that car and I traded
It's time to begin again. Yay! Oh, and you don't have this one.
That's a different version of the...
Camille.
And so's that.
Oh, a purple walrus.
Honey, these are Tyler's.
Wow.
Go give Tyler. Go give this to Tyler, Camille. Camille.
No, give that to Tyler. Help
Give
him
this to
open it.
I
Tyler.
got it from the guy that got it off from Marcus.
Give it to Tyler.
Oh, there we go.
He felt like a
Open it,
sprint
baby.
car.
Can you help him?
In fact,
You help
the
him.
motor that was going to go in that car was a Ford sprint car motor. And I was going to buy, but then he wanted $5 grand. He wanted $6 grand for the motor. And I only had $4 grand.
I just thought that was so good.
He
It's
didn't want to
soft.
sell it for Ford. And I bought the car for, I think, $3 grand. It was fully towed.
Hey, wait.
It's nice and soft.
Hand it to Tyler. It's for Tyler.
Real nice
Andy, the tow truck.
Yeah, tow truck.
And then, so it didn't have a rear end shortened yet.
Can we
And it
read the
didn't
card?
have
Would
any
you
rims
do this a
and tires.
little bit back, please? It's
So
your
I,
first birthday, buddy.
He didn't want to sell that motor, so I was like, I want to get it all in rolling
Hope it's
chassis.
fun for you and your family
And I had the
too.
rear end shortened
You ready for that, bud?
and bought the rims
Tyler,
and
we
tires
love
for
you
about
so
15
much.
by 15.
So happy we were able to
And
be
got
here
it all
with
in
you on your
roller,
birthday.
and then he called
We're
me
so,
up
so
and was
glad.
like,
Looking
dude,
forward to
you want
watching you
$4
grow up.
grand?
Love, Steve.